Welcome, dear students. Hope you all are well. Today, my topic is for class 7th, subject English, and the topic name is The Little Girl. This is a short story which is written by Catherine Mansfield. Dear students, this is a very beautiful short story which is about a small girl whose name was Kezia. And this little girl always feared her father. She felt uncomfortable in front of her father, and she could hardly speak in front of his father. And one day, and every morning before going to work, his father came into her room and gave her a casual kiss, to which she responded with goodbye, father. And when the father went out for his work, a sense of glad relief came into this child's face. And one day in the evening, when he came home, she stood near the staircase. Staircase means सीढ़ी, जिसे हम सीढ़ी कहते हैं. And in the evening, when he came home, she heard and heard his loud voice in the hall. She heard her father's voice, her loud voice in the hall. Slowly, the girl would slip down the stairs across the hall and push open the drawing room. She never chatted with other people, but only with her father, because then she was trying so hard to say the words properly. And one Sunday afternoon, her grandmother sent her down to the drawing room to have a nice talk with his father and mother. But the girl, little girl, always found mother reading and the father stretching out of the sofa with his handkerchief on his face, uh, sleeping soundly and snoring. One day, when she was kept indoors with a cold, and in this case, she was very ill and kept indoors, the grandmother told her that father's birthday was next week and suggested she should make him a pin cushion for a gift out of a beautiful piece of cloth, silk cloth. And she brought a double cotton cloth, and stitched the three sides of this cushion. But the question was what to fill it with. That was the question. The grandmother was out in the garden, and she wandered into the mother's bedroom to look for some scraps. And on the bed table, she discovered a great many sheets of fine paper. Okay, and then gathered them and tore them into tiny pieces. She tore them into tiny pieces and stuffed her pincushion. Then sewed up the fourth side. But that night there was a hue and cry over the house, for the great speech for the Port Bill Authority was lost. And the rooms were searched, servants were questioned, and finally mother came into this child Kiza's room. Then father came into the room with a ruler in his hands and punished her. Hours later, when the grandmother had wrapped her into her shawl and rocked her in the rocking chair, the child hugged to her soft body and said, and she sobered with herself, "What did God make fathers for?" But the child never forget. Next time she saw him, she quickly put both hands behind her back, and a red color flew into her cheeks. But suddenly, one day, mother became ill, and she and grandmother went to the hospital. And the little girl remained lonely in her home with a cook named Elias. That was all right in the daytime, but while Elias was putting her to bed, she grew suddenly afraid. She had nightmare, and nightmare means डरावना ख्वाब इसे हम कहेंगे. And father came to her rescue and took her in his bedroom, and she felt secure in his father's um, in father with father, and she felt very secure with her father. And she then lost at last realized that her father cared for her. Okay, And I have given you the summary of this short summary of this lesson. Now I will give you summary in Urdu. दिस लेसन ये जो कहानी है ये एक छोटी बच्ची के मुतल्लिक है जो अपने बाप से हमेशा डर के रहती थी. हर सुबह जब भी इसका बाप काम पे जाता था तो ये वो इसके कमरे में आता था और इसको चूमता था और अलविदा कहकर वो इसको रवाना करती थी. मगर फिर जब बाप चला जाता था तो एक राहत, वो छोटी बच्ची जो थी वो एक राहत महसूस करती थी. इसकी एक ये आदत थी, वो किसी के सामने भी बात करते हुए हकलाती नहीं थी, लेकिन जब वो अपने बाप के साथ कोई बात करती तो वो हकलाना शुरू कर देती थी. और एक दिन जब ज़ुकाम की वजह से उसे घर के अंदर ही रहना पड़ा तो इसकी दादी ने कहा कि आप अपने पापा के लिए, आपका पापा का जन्मदिन आ रहा है तो इसके लिए आप एक अच्छा सा रेशम का वो पिन कुशन तैयार करो. लेकिन बड़ी मेहनत से इस बच्ची ने वो पिन कुशन तैयार किया. 3 साइड से उसने उसके सी दिए, लेकिन एक साइड अब ये था कि इसमें क्या बनना था. तो वो इधर उधर घूमती रही अपने कमरों में. इसके बाद वो अपनी माँ के कमरे में चली गई. वहाँ कुछ पेपर्स पड़े थे टेबल पर, तो उसने वही टर्न किए और उसमें भर दिए. लेकिन इसी रात घर में बहुत हंगामा हुआ. आखिर मार सब ने देखा कि जो वो पेपर जो थे डाउन किए थे इसने, वो कुछ अहम कागजात थे इसके पापा ने, तो उसको बहुत मार पड़ी. लेकिन सुबह वो इसने जो ये इसकी मदर थी, उसने ग्रैंड मदर थी, उसने उसको समझाया कि परेशान होने की कोई बात नहीं. उसने उसको फिर अपनी गोद में लिया. लेकिन अचानक क्या हुआ कि एक दिन माँ बीमार पड़ गई और दादी को भी इसके साथ हॉस्पिटल जाना पड़ा. लेकिन छोटी लड़की जो थी वो अचानक अकेले घर में रह गई. इलाज जो एक बावर्ची थी, कुक थी, उसके साथ दिन के दौरान सब कुछ ठीक रहा, लेकिन रात के वक्त वो अचानक डर गई. उसको एक डरावना सा ख्वाब दिखा. तो अचानक उसने क्या देखा कि उसने देखा कि वो अपने पापा के बाहों में थी. इसकी बाहों के नीचे अपना सर आराम से रख लिया था और इसकी कमीज़ को कसकर पकड़ लिया. अब अंधेरे से उसे कोई परवाह नहीं लगती थी. फिर उसने आखिर पर वो ये सोचने लगी कि इसका मतलब अचानक नन्ही लड़की ने किया कि मेरा सर जो था, इसका सर जो था वो बाप के सीने पर था. तो फिर इसने ये कहा कि प्यारे अबू आपका दिल कितना बड़ा है. यानी कि लास्ट पर इसने ये सोचा कि जो बाप होते हैं वो बहुत ही अच्छे होते हैं. वो फिर इससे इसने ये महसूस किया कि इसका बाप जो है वो बहुत ही अच्छा है. वो उसके लिए केयर करता है, वो उससे शफ़क़त करता है, उसके साथ प्यार मोहब्बत करता है. तो ये लेसन है, ये जो शॉर्ट स्टोरी है, इसकी मैंने समरी अब उर्दू में आपको भी बताई. तो इंशाल्लाह जो क्वेश्चंस है वो आपके मैं ग्रुप में डाल दूँगी. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.